Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here to show you my latest digital kit that I've put on my Etsy. I'm so excited about this. I'm excited to share this whole pile with you. But I wanted to get this digital kit done because I think it'll be really cool in this collage journal that I'm working on for my Artie Mays project. So I'll tell you a couple of ideas that I have for using this, but let me show you the kit first. So these are vintage cabinet cards that are in my little vintage collection. And so I wanted to share them with you through a digital. So I've gotten that done. And this is cream cardstock that I'm showing right now, but wait till you see it on the coffee dyed paper. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So what I did was I printed it in a couple of different ways that I think I will use. There's a lot of ways you could do this, but so this is the cream cardstock. This is page 1. Page 2, look at those sweet, sweet things. Somebody's ancestors. So, and then this is the third one. This one's kind of cute. It has Butte, Montana right there. So that's fun. We've got this one with the lady and the little girl. And then the last page, I did the really cool backs of a couple of them. They weren't all decorated on the back. Just these two I thought were really neat. And this one is kind of landscape and has the Butte, Montana on it. This one, San Francisco. So, I mean, I can see this being used in a lot of different ways, not just with the cabinet cards, but I went ahead and I did print that one on some matte photo paper. Again, I used 32-pound matte photo paper from Red River Paper Company online. And I just love how this came out. So could be fun for collage even. So anyway, I printed that way. And then, oh my gosh, I printed these on coffee dyed paper and I love how they turned out. Isn't that cool? I just think they look so aged and so wonderful. So, so that is how I printed them out. And then look at that one on coffee dyed paper. So cool. Okay, so couple ways that I'm thinking about using them, and you'll see me working with these as I get to work on this journal again once I get my current project done. But so I'm thinking cut out on a page. Okay, let's just do it. Let's do this little girl. We're just going to cut her out quick like here, and then I can more physically show you my my several ideas for this, and then you'll see me actually do it as I work in my book. Now I'm going to keep this little piece of cardstock because that's like perfect for stamping a word on or something. Okay, so I've got her cut out, sweet thing that she is. Okay, let's find a piece of paper here. So my thought is, of course, they could be put down in the corner here as a tuck. Perfect. They could be centered and be a side pocket here or a top loading pocket, right? The other thing that I think would be fun, like on this piece, it's a smaller page. How fun would it be to make that a flip and then have this be extra journaling space? I also think they'd be really fun on the front of a sack too. So anyway, just some ideas I had. We'll play with them further, but I just wanted to show you the kit that that is now in my Etsy. So as soon as this video is uploaded, it will be there. And thank you so very much for all your support. I hope you enjoy this latest digital kit. It's called Vintage cabinet card kit. And it'll be on my Etsy, Cinnamon Tea. I'll have the link in the description below. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.